What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video, and it's another cleaning video. I'm about to show you guys my pantry slash laundry room. I'm going to clean it and declutter and organize that little area. So I'm going to show you the before and after, and I'm going to be filming throughout me cleaning and organizing that area. It's going to be like a really deep cleaning. Because ever since we moved in, I pretty much just like put stuff in there and never really like fully cleaned it. So I want to go ahead and do that and show you guys my pantry and laundry room.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I tried to have a little structure and just organize everything, but I just went ahead and decided to take everything out, clean it, and organize it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. Alright, so I was going to put this on camera, but I decided not to. But I pretty much just took everything out, as you guys will see in the next clip. Okay, so I used Lysol and water mix in a spray bottle to spray the wired area in the pantry and like really scrub it to get all the dirt and spider web out. And also I took my cleaning towel and went over it and just wiped everything down. Okay, so I used that same spray and sprayed all over the floor where I saw dirt, pretty much the whole like corner area, and took a brush and brushed down, and I even took like a small used toothbrush just to further get the little area that I can't get with a big brush, and just pretty much scrub everywhere to get the dirt out to make it look like a little bit whiter than how it's supposed to look. So now I'm taking that same towel and just wiping down where I sprayed at and scrub just to get it ready for mopping. Okay, so I went ahead and decided to scrub the whole thing and sweep and mop everything. Alright, so in the laundry area, I went ahead and started a load, and you guys are gonna see me just take everything out and put it back and decide to take it out again. But I was just trying to decide what I wanted to do, so I was going back and forth with myself. But anyway, I'm just basically organizing this area. It wasn't really dirty, so I didn't need to spray anything. There was no spider web or dirt above like that area anyway. And on top of that, I'm short. There was going to be like a 90% chance of me falling unless I wanted to get on the dryer or the washer, and I didn't want to do that. So skip that process and just basically organize as much as I could. Oh, and you're not going to see me move the washer and dryer to clean underneath it, just because my husband is not home and I don't want to mess up anything. So yeah, this little area I basically just organized and decluttered and threw away anything that I didn't need. Okay, so I use the Method all-purpose spray to spray down the washer and the dryer. And this is probably my favorite scent out of all the scents that they have. I just love the smell of it. It smells kind of like manly in a way, I guess. But I don't know, but I'm not really like a big fan of a lot of their scents, the Method scents. But I do like that it's natural. But if they had that scent in every single one, I would get that scent in every single one.
Alright guys, it is complete. The pantry is organized and cleaned. Alright, so up there I just put all my supplements. I restocked on some of them, and I've got some samples, like supplement samples over here. So yeah, and then over here I just have like cooking stuff. I don't have much canned goods because I like to cook fresh food, so I don't have much stuff in my pantry, honestly. Some crackers, you know, just a lot of miscellaneous stuff like pasta right here and energy drink. Down here I have my noodles, hot sauce, because my husband runs through hot sauce like pretty much every month. We have to get like 2 of these, and some chips. As you guys can see, I like to see everything. I don't like to put them in containers like these. I don't like to use them for my pantry because I want to be able to see it and grab it and go. If I don't see them, I will never eat them. So yeah, down here I just have like dog stuff, dog treats and stuff. I have these little containers I bought from the dollar store, and I just put like my cooking seasonings right here, and then snacks right here. You could also get these at the dollar store. These I bought from the Asian market. Over here I have some more Asian snack, I guess, and some protein, granola protein. My trash bags and my soda. We don't drink much soda, so we just get the mini ones. And then I just have dog food, MRE, and some more water. So this thing, guys, you can get at the dollar store as well. So yeah, I like how they keep everything in place. So I only put them right here, and then just one right here because of the canned goods, but everything else is fine. I'm thinking about putting some at the top right there, but I don't think I really need it. Like I said, I don't really have much in my pantry, as you guys can see, but I like to keep it like minimal and simple. So yeah, that's pretty much everything in my pantry. My laundry room, I couldn't really do much because I just have a lot of junk that some of them my husband uses, and if I put them in those containers, he will not be able to find them. He doesn't really like to look. He likes to see it, grab it, and go. So like stuff like in there are just stuff that I know he won't ask for and he won't look for. So like those containers are full of stuff that we don't really use often or at all. They're just I don't know, like paper work, some old stuff that we used before that doesn't use anymore that we may use in the future. And I have my light fixtures up there because we're currently getting our light fixed in the kitchen. And I kept the box for my mop. I don't know why, but yeah, it's empty. So down here, like I said, my husband grabs for saw and a drill often, and hammers, and if I put them in the container he will never find it, so I just put it like that exposed, so if he asks for him he'll see it and won't bother me to look for them. So over here I just have my laundry stuff, my dryer sheet, some bleach, and over here I actually put all my cleaning rags. I separate them so I don't wash them with the rest of my clothes, so those rags are dirty. Of course, the dryer and the washer. And over here I have I labeled this stuff so for my husband, because if I don't, he will never find anything. Some extra cords, some miscellaneous tools, and drills and screws. So he knows exactly, if he knows exactly what he wants, he'll just grab one and look. But then again, it's only 3 containers, so he could just look through any of them. So yeah, I just like to make that little area easier for him. And I have my laundry detergent, some fabric softener, some puppy pads, but my dogs are fine now. They don't really use the bathroom in the house since they mostly stay outside since it's good weather. I have some extra paper towels, some extra dish soap, and lighter fluid since it's barbecue season. And I just have a fly swat. This is brand new, I've never used it since flies are coming in the house, since I'm opening the door more often and frequently now that it feels better. So yeah, down here I just have my broom and I just hang it. Like, there's honestly nothing there, it's just that. And I have a hamper here because sometimes my husband likes to take his clothes off, like his jacket and stuff like that, or his t-shirt, and he'll just throw it in there so he doesn't go ahead and like throw it in the washer, which is what he usually does. So I got that, and this hamper stays down here. Over here I have my trash or plastic bags, and you never know when you're gonna need them, so I just keep them in there. And over here I have the empty water bottles that I plan to recycle when we fill it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything is clean and pretty much organized the way I like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.